Jennifer and the Stone of Wisdom. Once upon a time, in a bustling city where skyscrapers reached for the heavens and streets buzzed with activity, there lived a teenage girl named Jennifer. Her world turned upside down when her mother fell gravely ill, and no cure seemed to alleviate her suffering. Determined to save her beloved mother, Jennifer embarked on a journey across the city in search of the legendary Stone of Wisdom, rumored to possess the knowledge to heal any ailment. Along the way, Jennifer met Daniel, a kind-hearted man with a heart full of compassion. Daniel provided her guidance and support by saying,
"You might not know what is waiting for you around the corner, but you are stronger than you think."
As Jennifer wandered through the streets, she encountered a mysterious feline named Mimi. With a playful demeanor and keen intuition, Mimi became Jennifer's loyal companion, leading her on the path to the elusive Stone of Wisdom. At last, Jennifer arrived at a tranquil park adorned with lush greenery and blooming flowers. There, beneath the shade of an ancient oak tree, she found the Stone of Wisdom, gleaming with an ethereal light. Beside the stone stood a wise woman, her eyes twinkling with ancient knowledge. With a gentle smile, she beckoned Jennifer closer and shared the secret of unlocking the stone's power.
Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and count to 10.
As Jennifer closed her eyes, she heard the ancient whispers of wisdom passed down through generations. In an instant, the knowledge flooded her mind. With the wisdom of the ages at her fingertips, Jennifer raced back to her mother's side. Drawing upon the teachings of the stone, she brewed a special tea infused with healing herbs and ancient remedies. As her mother sipped the tea, a warm glow spread across her face, and the color returned to her cheeks. With each sip, her strength was restored, and the illness that had plagued her began to fade away. In the embrace of her grateful mother, Jennifer realized that true wisdom lay not in the power of the stone, but in the love and courage that resided within her heart.